Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from you guys who are having this problem at the top right here, which I also have right now. We are aware that there is an issue with accessing Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. So this is the main problem that people are having. And if you go on Twitter and if you search for Roblox down, you will see that you and I are not the only ones who are having this problem right now. People are also having some problems with Roblox, so you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one. As you can see, this guy has the same problem right here. And to fix it, you should restart your device, log out and then log in once again, see what it happens. But if it doesn't work, then you just have to wait until they fix this problem because it looks like it's a server problem. So we will have to wait until they fix it. So if you are having issues with Roblox right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with what specific problem do you have, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions and help you as soon as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.